Assalamu alaikum children. How are you? Today also we'll solve the question from fractions and decimals. Question number 6, 7th and 8th. Question number 6th. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Bit number A. 3 into 5 integer 1 by 5. So here mixed fraction is 5 integer 1 by 5. We have to multiply. So first we have to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. First convert the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 5 integer 1 by 5. 5 5 is 25 plus 1 will give you 26 by 5. Now you have to multiply 3 into 26 by 5. 3 into 26 what you will get? Just it's a simple multiplication, which is equals to 3 into 26 is equals to 78. 78 divided by 5. When you divide 78 by 5, you will get the answer as 15 integer 3 by 5. Like 15 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder and 5 is the divisor. That's all. Now bit number 2. What is the bit number 2 says here? 5 into 6 integer 3 by 4. Solution. Here also the mixed fraction is 6 integer 3 by 4. First convert the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 6 integer 3 by 4, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus will give you 27, which is equals 27 by 4. You know how to convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Now what is our question? 5 into 6 integer 3 by 4. So we obtained 27 by 4 in the place of 6 3 by 4. So 5 into 27 by 4. Multiply just the numerator, that is 5 into 27, which is equals to 135. 135 divided by 4. When you divide 135 by 4, you will get the answer as 33 as the quotient and the 3 is the remainder and 4 you can write it as a divisor. So 33 3 by 4 is your answer. Question number 7th. Find 1 by 2 of 2 integer 3 by 4. Means what you have to do? You have to multiply 1 by 2 into 2 3 by 4. First convert the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 3 by 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 will give you 11. 11 by 4. 1 by 2 into 11 by 4. So by division rule, by multiplication rule, what you can write? By the rule of multiplication of fraction, product of the fraction is equals to product of numerator divided by product of denominator. That is 1 by 2 into 11 by 4. What is there in the numerator? 1 and 11. 1 into 11, denominator 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Just simply we are multiplying the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. 1 into 11 will give you 11. 2 4s are 8. Now you have to divide this improper fraction, that is 11 by 8, to change it to mixed fraction. So when you divide 8 ones are 8. That is 1 is the quotient. What is the remainder? 3. 3 upon 8 you can write. So 1 3 upon 8 is your answer. Hope it is clear to you. Question number 8. What the statement of the question says here? Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed, means when Vidya drink, how much water? 2 by 5th of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining. The remaining water was drank by Pratap. How much water did Vidya drink? First bit you have to find out, and the second bit, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Solution. From the question it is given that the amount of water in the water bottle is equals to 5 liters. Amount of water consumed by Vidya is equals to 2 by 5 of 5 liters. That is 2 by 5 into 5. 5 and 5 will get cancelled, which is equals to 2 liters. So the total amount of water drank by Vidya is 2 liters. That ends the first part of the question, that is how much water did Vidya drink. So it's very simple. If you make 5 parts of 5 liters, then 2 is drank by Vidya. So how many liters will drink by Pratap? 3 liters. That is equals to 3 by 5. Total quantity, that is 5 liters. That is 5 in the denominator, and the 3 will come for the Pratap. So how we can solve that one? From the question it is given that the amount of water in the water bottle is 5 liters. Then amount of water consumed by Pratap is equals to 1 minus water consumed by Vibhya. 1 minus 2 by 5. Now just make this one as a 1 by 1, which is equals to, if you multiply 1 by 1 into 5, what you will get? 5 minus 2 divided by 5. In the fraction form you have to change. So what you will get? 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 part of the water drank by Pratap in the form of fraction. So the total amount of water consumed by Pratap is 3 by 5 of 5 liters. That is 3 by 5 into 5, which is equals to 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 3 liters. 3 liters is consumed by Pratap and 2 liters was consumed by Vidya. That's all. Hope it is clear to you. Like my channels, subscribe my channels, and till then enjoy yourself, be happy. I'll come with the new slides.